Which one gives you the best sourdough bread? American, Canadian, or Thai? Hey, what's up? Is it really worth it to invest on expensive American brand flour? Or we should stick to our local budget flour? Let's find out together.
We have many types of flour, like this whole wheat flour, which used as a combination, or double zero flour, which is so soft and we can choose for sourdough. Or this beautiful semolina to make pasta. Let's start with Bob's Red Mill. This is an American strong flour for artisan breads. For each 130 grams of this flour, we have 5 grams of protein, which is approximately 14% of protein. Super strong. Second flour is this Canadian white bread flour from Waitrose. They said it's very strong. For each 100 grams, it has 14.9 grams of protein, which is very strong. And my favorite budget local flour, a Thai flour from United. They call it White Swan. No information you can find on packaging, but they said it's high protein bread flour, which I'm gonna assume it's higher than 12% of protein. Experiment time. Bring my beautiful tools, a scale, spoon, water, salt, bowl, and of course, a strong and super active starter. Start with American. Cause I'm a freak, I like to smell everything. And this smells quite good. I'm gonna make all of them from my regular no-knead method. So for the recipe, check out the rest of my video about sourdough bread on my YouTube channel. I just mix starter, salt and water and flour. Bring it together with a spoon, then use your hands. And we just bring it together, let it rest for 30 minutes. Canadian flour. First smell it. The smell is not that strong like that American flour. Everything is the same. Mix the ingredients, bring it together, let it rest for 30 minutes. Thai flour. Also smell nice. Everything is the same again. Go back to American after 30 minutes. We had a little bit of development, which is beautiful. Bring it on the surface, and we just want to bring the dough together and round it up. And this one comes together beautifully. It's a very nice flour, I can say. Go back to Canadian after 30 minutes. Yeah, we have development here too. Bring it on the surface. Bring it together. It's a little bit stickier than American flour. And it comes together easily. And my favorite, Thai. We had a little bit of development. Yeah, comes together easily again. It's a little bit sticky like Canadian flour. After 1 hour, back to American flour. We want to do the lamination. First, window pane test. Gluten has developed quite good. Bring it on the surface. Lamination. Bring it together. The dough is smooth and elastic already. Back to Canadian. This one also developed quite nice. Bring it on the surface. It's a bit softer than American flour. Comes together easily. Beautiful. For Thai flour, gluten has developed, but not that much. Bring it on the surface. Lamination. Everything is the same. After 1 hour, time to coil fold. And window pane test, of course. American has developed nicely, and I think it's ready after this coil fold. Beautiful. Canadian flour passed the window pane test. Beautiful development. One beautiful coil fold. And it's ready for bulk fermentation. Thai flour also coil fold. And this one also ready. Time to pre-shape our breads. American, Canadian, little bit stickier, and Thai. Rest 20 minutes on the surface. Babies are sleeping. After 20-minute time to final shape, and we start with American. I am trying to shape them equally, as much as I can. Into the Benetton for cold fermentation. Beautiful. Canadian. Everything is the same. And Thai. Into the fridge for the rest of the night. It's the next day and it's baking day. Start with American, poke test done. Scoring also would be the same for all of the 3 breads. I'm gonna bake them from open baking, like so. This is American one. 20 minutes with the steam, 20 minutes without the steam. Canadian, poke test done. Scoring, Thai, scoring, and watch. Can you tell the difference? Let's check their crusts. The most expensive one, American flour. And believe it or not, this is Canadian. And this gorgeous is Thai. Nice oven spring and perfect crust. Let's check the insides. Wow, super even crumb. Look at it. Canadian, as we expected, beautiful. And Thai. Oh my God, amazing crumbs. Can you tell the difference?
Alright, conclusion part. No matter you bake with an American expensive flour or you choose a budget local flour, you can always achieve a beautiful loaf of sourdough bread if you master the technique, scoring and shaping, and you know about right hydration for the specific flour you are going to bake with. If you go for a budget flour, you need to reduce the hydration. But if you rather to experience very high hydration sourdough bread, you need to invest on a good expensive flour. There are many good brands of flour.
Like King Arthur, which is American, Caputo from Italy, and many more.
But to be honest, with this good budget price, I always choose the local flour, especially when it's a Thai flour. Alright, that was it. If you think it was an interesting video, you can like this video and subscribe my channel. Like always, keep baking and take a good care of yourself.